Welcome to Fook VR YouTube channel. For those new to my channel is about programming, specifically Android programming. The video you are watching belongs to the series about Jetpack Compose. If you want to learn more about Jetpack Compose, you can refer to the link in the comment or tag on the right side of the screen. If you find the video interesting, please click like and subscribe to the latest videos, or you can come to my blog to see the latest articles. Don't forget to invite me for a coffee if the article is useful. Now we go back to doing the unfinished part, because the previous video was too long. The theme switcher is a toggle button that lets users change the app's theme from light to dark. We add the composable functions light-dark theme item and light-dark theme item preview. We will use a row to align the content horizontally. Then we need to add a text and a switch. As a side note, the checked and unchecked change input parameters rely on JetNotes theme settings. Is dark theme enabled to handle the state? We have some new concepts here, but we'll learn them in the next lessons. Now, please don't bother about them. Simply put, this mechanism lets us change the app's theme internally. Build the project and, in the preview, you'll see the following. I think we need to add a little modifier so that the text and switches are in a slightly different position. Well done! With this, you've completed all the necessary components for the app drawer. After we have initialized the necessary compostable, what we need to do now is put them together. This is as simple as assembling the Lego of the children playing. To do so, we also add a function app drawer and app drawer preview. Check app drawer's parameters, current screen and close drawer action. With current screen, you control which screen navigation button is selected. For example, if you want to select the Notes button, you'd call the app drawer composable with screen Notes as an argument. Remember how you expose the click event and the screen navigation button? Here, you use a similar technique to expose the close drawer event with the close drawer action parameter. By doing that, you let the parent composable react to the event. The pieces are assembled vertically in the design, so we need to put all the composable we just created into a column to create a suitable layout. Then we can easily notice lines between the drawer's header and buttons and the light, dark theme. To add that line, you used a divider. Then, for the color, you create a new object with the on-surface color but with a different alpha property. Notice how this composable passes the lambda argument to the on click of each navigation button. This is used to notify the system that you selected a new screen. Finally, call App Drawer inside App Drawer Preview. Here we pass Screen Notes as the current screen. By doing that, you selected the Notes button. Since you're calling the app drawer within a composable marked with preview, you don't need to specify any actions when the app drawer is closed. Therefore, you just passed an empty function as an argument. Build your project once more, and you'll see your completed drawer in your preview. After all we've done, it's a pity if we don't see app drawer working in the application. So as a final step, we put the app drawer as part of the application. Go to main activity and add the code to set content. We will use scaffold to app drawer for the application. Note the content: we will temporarily attach a text composable to show, and we will change it later. If you want to know more about scaffold, you can review my old videos in the comment section or the right corner of the video. Build and run the app. You'll see the text composable on the screen. To see your app drawer in action, pull the left edge of the screen toward the right. The app isn't that impressive, but don't worry. You'll make it look like the expected design throughout the following lessons. Today's lesson, which is also long, I would like to end the lesson and push the code up quickly. Lesson 2 final. You can refer to the code there. I will put the link in the description. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it interesting, please press the like button, and subscribe to the channel, or you can invite me for a cup of coffee by buying me a coffee.